We looked earlier at a question where we had a given angle inside here and one side, and we'd find another side. Here we're going to use SohCahToa again. For a right angle triangle, we'll know it's a right angle triangle because of our little box symbol like that in the corner. And this time we're going to have our two sides, and we're going to try and find an angle using our SohCahToa method as well. So we're going to continue just like we started the last one. So we're going to look, we have a side, we have an angle. That's the first thing we have to identify each time. The side straight opposite is going to be my opposite. So the side straight opposite, the angle is the opposite. The longest is always the hypotenuse, and the remaining side is the adjacent. So my side's labelled up, and in this case I'm looking at my opposite again and my adjacent, similar to the last question. So it's going to be O and A, so I'm going to be looking at TOA again. So I'm going to write T, TOA, and which stands for tan of A is equal to O, which is opposite, over adjacent. Again, it's no harm just write these out just so you know the steps yourself. I know you'll say this is monotonous. Next step is going to be again tan of A is equal to, well, my opposite is here, it's 4, and my adjacent is here, it's 6. So far I'm just filling in what I know. I'm going to go down, I'm going to say tan of the angle is equal to 4 over 6 can be narrowed down to 2 over 3, which can be brought down again to 0.66, continuing. So that's what I have so far. I have tan of A equals 0.66, which is 3/4 of the way to my answer. Again, you'll get 3/4 of the mark if you do that as well. So I just want to find A, I want to find the actual angle here now. So I want to get rid of my tan here. So to bring my tan across to the other side, I'm going to go to my calculator. And if you look at your sine, cos and tan buttons, just above them, you'll see there's a tan with a -1, or the inverse of tan. That's what we want to get to. So I want to bring my tan across the equals to sign. I'm looking to try and use this tan of -1 button. So I'm going to say now A is equal to tan -1 of 0.66, continuing, and then again it's just calculator. So to find what A is equal to, I'm going to use my shift, find my tan of -1 just above my tan, put in my 0.66, close my brackets and press equals. So the angle that I'm after looking at there, the angle in this question is actually 33.42 degrees. So you can see that's just a different way to ask the question. Again, with a similar way to solve it, using the same relatively simple steps. Again, if we're asked to round it a certain amount of decimal places, then we will be. And this will always be in degrees. Gar mágad.